What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles, and you were looking at a 1999, yes, I said 1999 Harley Davidson Road King. That is amazing looking for being 1999. Look at that beast. 88 cubic inch, fuel injected, 5-speed transmission. Those real nice leather bags. They're actually in pretty killer shape. Some tiny little scuffs down there, not a huge deal. Vance & Hines pipes. That rear fender is in killer shape. Got some scuffing on the top of the bags. Some scuffing on the side of the bags. That's super common for these though, because you're kind of swinging your leg over, or you're moving these flaps up and down. All in killer shape though. Some of that paint is peeling right there. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it's like a little bit worn. The color is a little weather worn. That paint's in good shape. I can see a little scratch right there on the clear coat. A couple little scratches on the top of the fender here. It's all in good shape, guys. I mean, I'm just looking at it. The windshield's nice and clear. Such a clean 1999.
Yo, that's a 99?
That's what it says.
Holy cow. Sequential port injection!
Fuel injected! All this is just like in killer shape for what it is. We have a couple little, well, scratches down there. You can see those.
Yeah, there's a hand in there.
Oh my gosh, there's a hand in there! That's the big flaw with this bike. Highway pegs, Harley Davidson highway pegs. It's got a Mustang seat. Ooh. Big old wide, nice for you and your lady.
It's Mustang backseat too, because it matches perfectly.
One of the things that always happens with these is this gets like super dried out looking. And that is just like so crispy. Stock grips that have not gotten gross and gummy yet. 22,000 miles. You do the honors?
Got this.
Wow. Fires up right away.
Harley Davidson highway pegs.
Runs great, guys. Fires up right away.
Look how clean this windshield is.
I know, I was just noticing that.
Very, very clean.
Like, there's not that many scratches. Like, it's kind of just like, you can see right through it. Look at that.
Maybe the guy took it off.
You might not even rim with it.
Yeah, like
The bags look pretty good too for being a 99.
look at the lowers.
Yeah, not all gross. It's got spoked rims. Part of you's thinking like, why am I putting this up online?
Right?
It's so clean.
How many miles are on it?
22. It's not high enough.
Wow.
Yeah. It's cool to
Oh,
like.
here's your problem. Here's your problem. You talk about this?
Oh no! A loose mirror. We gotta tighten it up. Oh no, I didn't even notice that.
There we go.
Loose mirror. Alright, it's back to being in pretty good shape. Cool, guys. Like I said, 1999 Harley Davidson Road King. Next to the Road King master himself, Sean Kerr. All about those Road Kings. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this. I'm sure Sean's gonna love it. Ooh. Is that True Duals? I think it is.
No, they're going to one.
Yeah, True Duals. Oh, am I retarded?
Oh, well, I mean...
It might flow over there, but it's not True Dual. Right, True Dual doesn't have that casing.
Yeah.
Right? We're so dumb. We have no idea.
They might call that true. I don't know.
Whatever. 1999 Harley Davidson Road King, guys. It's like a bluish. I think it's like a purpley, but they call it blue.
I call it royal.
Royal blue. Sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.